We had the best time recording and, of course, doing the film of the Ghost Typewriter. Check us out tonight on Zaziria Wright YouTube channel at 8 o'clock p.m. I'm going to send a link to Facebook and just enjoy these bloopers. They're funny.
I'm going to pour this, all right? Now wash your hands. Now it's hot, so don't burn your tongue. Okay? Be careful, sip. Don't burn your lips. Okay? You got a soldier coming for you. Okay? He don't want that with the blip. Okay? Don't talk. Please don't.
It's okay. She can get up all this out at the beginning. She can't hold that right now.
Scary. And I'm superstitious. And there's something strange about that typewriter. I don't know.
Okay, right now.
If she comes to the
All right.
I'm gonna be done.
I bought those shoes yesterday.
You bought them shoes yesterday?
Some black ones.
Because it's going to reflect this over here.
Yeah.
That's why I got that up there.
And we won't see
Go ahead.
Chantel's in the background.
Because it's going to reflect this over here.
Yeah.
That's why I got that up there.
And we won't see
Go ahead.
Chantel's in the background. You deleted all those other ones that was looking poopy.
It's recording.